Oh, my sparkle fabulous friends, I have something so cool to show you. Hello fabulous friends, Princess Tessa here with another fabulous video. Welcome to my fabulous life. So today's fabulous adventure, my fabulous friends at FRYLR reached out to me last week and wanted to send out one of their pieces of furniture, and I wanted to share it with you because it's too fabulous not to. So let's get started. Now on with the show. Alright fabulous friends, so you know this princess loves all things fabulous and stylish, and this piece of furniture does not disappoint.
Oh my sparkle.
So this is a 36-inch foldable walnut finish desk. Oh my sparkle. So, and it's not just any kind of desk, because you know it can't be fabulous if you don't have these awesome plugs and USB port. I mean, oh my sparkle. This is awesome. And then it has these beautiful foldable black legs. So this is gonna go with a lot of your furniture pieces because it's very like modern, but yet it has that little bit of like farmhouse chic, and this princess loves that. And it looks great with all the rest of my furniture here at the castle. So let's show you how this fabulous desk sets up. So you fold this down and it just kind of snaps into place. And then of course, like I said, it has the cord, which I still have the twisty tie that's on it just to kind of hold it together. And then you just lift it up. And it's really not that heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. It has like a little weight to it, but it's easy even for a princess to push up and down. Oh my sparkle, come look at this fabulous friends. Look at this finish. Look how much surface you have on this desk. Oh my sparkle. All right, Mr. Colt, let's show them how we use this fabulous royal table. Let's get crafting, fabulous friends. So one of the first things you can do with this royal table is do some crafts. I love doing crafts. I love making bows, bracelets, wreaths, anything like that, especially if you have to use a hot glue gun. We just plug this in here into my handy dandy desk and then start crafting. Are you the kind of princess that wants to watch TV and eat? Well, this is perfect. You get to have your fabulous royal table and you get to be able to watch TV all in one spot. So you got your little dining area, and then if you want to get a little fancy and put a beautiful tablecloth on here, maybe a tea stand with some sandwiches, your little teapot, your little teacup, and you can have a little tea party and watch TV in style. So are you the kind of princess that has a lot of stuff on your desk and you still need more room to spread out? Well, this desk is perfect to help you spread out so you're not so cramped. So you can put your little planner on here and still have room to maybe put your computer, or you can put your computer over here because you can plug that on in, or leave it on your desk and put your papers and all of that. Still, it'll help keep you organized. Are you done rolling the day and it's time to put things away, but you don't want to leave this out because, well, you don't want your castle looking junky? Well, this is the awesome part about this fabulous royal table, because it folds. Yes, it folds. So just put this little pretty thing on her back like so, and then you kind of have to push down. There has to be an easier way. Hold on. Let's try this cipher. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's move that out of the way. There we go. I did it, fabulous friends, I did it. So now that I struggled to get that folded, takes a little bit of practice, fabulous friends, takes a little practice. Now we're going to put this right over here, out of the way, so it does not take up space. My sparkle fabulous friends, I hope you enjoy getting to learn about this fabulous desk from FRYLR. And best part is, I have a link in the description below so you can get your very own FRYLR foldable desk. And let me know in the comments down below, is it something that would make your home more sparkly, add a little bit more sparkle to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope all of you dream big, live your story, and I hope to see you in our next fabulous adventure. I wanted to come back on here and give a big fabulous thank you to FRYLR for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this foldable desk. It is so cute and handy, and you can do so many things. I can edit videos on it, I can do some crafts, I can eat on it if I would like to. I can have like a little one-on-one tea party. It's going to be such a great addition to my castle, and I hope you get a chance to have one for your castle.